The house was silent. Not peaceful, just empty. The kind of silence that reminds you someone is missing. Rain slid slowly down the window as Daniel sat on the edge of his bed, holding a thin envelope. His hands trembled, not from age, but from a regret. I meant to read it tomorrow. Tomorrow had been his favorite word. Tomorrow when work is done. Tomorrow when life is slower. Tomorrow when there is time. But tomorrow never came. Years ago, this house had laughter, soft footsteps, the smell of tea in the evenings. She used to wait for him by the window every night.
Did you eat?
Almost,
Are you tired? Sit. I made something warm. This is for you.
I'll read it tomorrow. He nodded without looking. Her smile faded for just a second.
Promise?
She asked. Daniel didn't hear the fear in her voice. He never did. That night, he came home late. The lights were off. Emma's shoes were still by the door. But Emma was gone. A sudden illness, too fast, too cruel. No last words, no goodbye. But the envelope stayed in his drawer, unopened. Every time he touched it, his chest tightened. What if she was angry? What if she was disappointed? What if he wasn't enough? So he waited. Years passed. The house grew quieter. Birthdays passed without cake. Winters passed without warmth. And tonight, the loneliness became heavier than fear. Daniel slowly opened the envelope. My dear brother, I know you are always busy. I know you are always tired. I just want you to know, I never blamed you. You tried your best. If one day I'm not here, please don't feel alone. Live the life you keep postponing. Laugh more. Come home earlier. And please forgive yourself. I love you. Always. Daniel's breath broke. Tears fell freely now, onto the letter, onto his hands, onto years of silence.
I'm here. I'm reading it now.
But the room did not answer. Only the clock. The rain has stopped. In the quiet of morning, Daniel finds a moment of peace. Daniel opened the window. Fresh air filled the room. I will not wait for tomorrow anymore. And for the first time in many years, he stepped outside not as a busy man, but as a living one. Some people leave too early. Some words come too late. But love waits.